Alright guys, got a pro tip for you today. So this is one that a lot of us loathe, and that is shooting paper and the importance of shooting at paper targets. Just returned from the World Cup, and if anybody's watched this, we know that the level of shooting skill is through the roof these days. And it doesn't count anymore to be able to hit a 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter target over and over again. You've got to be dead precise. Now, I know it's fun to shoot at cans, shoot at spinners in your catch box, but one thing that doesn't tell you is how far you missed. Therefore, shooting paper is really the key. So what we're going to do is a quick demonstration here. We're going to fire a couple of shots at a spinner, hit a few, miss a few. Then we're going to shoot at the same scoring ring on the World Cup target. Same number of shots. So what we can see there is where we were actually missing. So what we're shooting at, we're shooting a 6 centimeter spinner. We're going to be shooting everything within the 8 ring on the World Cup target, which is 6 centimeters. And this is going to display how far we're actually missing, where our shots are grouping and concentrating, and just kind of give you a sense of why it's important to shoot paper targets. So kick back, we're going to take a couple of shots here and see how it looks. Alright, so that was 5 shots on the spinner target. I'm going to shoot the right side of the World Cup target there. I'm going to be aiming for the bullseye. Anything within the 8 ring is the same size diameter as the spinner target we were just shooting at. So that's going to give us an idea of our grouping. Alright, that one was way off. Obvious flyer. Alright, so there's 5 shots on the paper target. I think we got 3 of them in there. Had 1 obvious flyer, 1 shot to the right. So when we're shooting at a spinner target, it's often, we know we missed because it didn't move, but how much did we miss? So what this target's doing for us right now, shooting the paper, is we can see visually where the point of impact is. I know it's boring, I know there's better ways to go out and shoot and spend your time, but if you really want to get consistent, go shoot some paper. You'll be able to see your grouping and really see where your shots are straying and then be able to make corrections. So thanks for taking a look. Get out and shoot those slingshots.